Meanwhile, the opposition again did not show up for Wednesday's Joint Select Committee looking at the Constitution Amendment Act 2024. Mrs. Malahoo Fort, who also chairs the committee, addressed the issue.
Separate and apart from the issue of the final court, it is very clear to me that the government and the opposition have very different policy approach on the matters of reform, even while we say that we are committed together to the goals being pursued.
I am wanting to get some clarification as to procedurally what should be the position. We are positioned as taken by the other members of the Joint Select Committee to absent themselves deliberately. It's not a situation that something arose on a particular day and you extend an apology. You have said with clarity that you're not participating in the process unless, and I find something inherently wrong with that, with the position that has been taken, and nothing further.
In response to Senator Charles Sinclair, Mrs. Malahoo Fort reiterated the government's position, begin deliberations on issues the parties agree on while working to resolve differences.
The impression that is being given that the opposition does not know the approach of the government is really not true. And it's a quarrel about something else. It's a quarrel about who is leading, the approach being taken. But who leads a government is decided after an election. And you know, we have to respect that in the democracy.